Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to use the alpha property and state modifiers to create different states of visibility for our menu and our start button. Let's get right to it. To create a new state modifier, I'm going to click on our menu node, and then I will go to the node panel and look for this section called Modifiers. I will click the Add Item button. This will create a new state modifier for us to use. You can name your state modifiers as you see fit. I will name this Show Menu because I want this state modifier to be used to show our menu. There are many properties to be used for a state modifier. I wish to use the transform alpha property. I will search for it in the search box. Now we want our transform alpha to equal a certain value when this state is used. So I will use the equals operator. And the value I wish to set is 1 because I want this state to show the menu in full visibility. And then I will add another state modifier. This one I will call hide menu because I want to completely hide the menu. I will also use transform alpha, which should equal a value, and that value should be 0. Therefore, the menu should be completely hidden. Now we can demonstrate these modifiers by clicking on them. And as you can see, the menu is shown here in the view, but when I click hide menu, they are now gone. The menu has been completely hidden. Let's do the same with the start button and the exit button to demonstrate how you can hide only certain parts of the user interface depending on what you wish to be seen. First, I will show the menu once more, and then in the start button, I will add a new state modifier. I will call this state modifier show start. For the property, I will once again use transform.alpha, which should equal a value of 1. And then I will add another state modifier and call this hide start. I will also use the alpha property with an operator of equals with a value of 0. Now if I click show start, of course we see the start button, but if I click hide start, the start button has now vanished. And once more, let's do the same for our exit button. I will go to the exit button node and add a new state modifier. I will call this state show exit. And then for the property, I will again use the transform.alpha, which should equal 1. And I will create another state modifier called hide exit, using alpha and equaling 0. So if I toggle between these, we can see that show exit and hide exit will make the exit button visible or not visible. And by clicking on the start button again, we can hide start or show start. This allows us to control the visibility of individual nodes in our UI editor. State modifiers are a powerful way of using the node properties to control the visual states of your game. In the next video, we will look at the active states and the states list. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.